Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, we wrapped up December last night. As we look back at that December, it was the third warmest one we've had in 7 decades, in 70 years. 2021 was warmer in 2015, and there you can see 2023 at 7.6 degrees above normal. It was extremely mild during December, and of course on Christmas Eve we set a record high at 64. So very mild in December, but we also like to look ahead. And I talk about these, what I call high-impact storms. By that I mean it could have a high impact on our travel or our daily plans and impact a lot of the country. I see maybe one of these coming now, January 9 to 11th. That would be for this area, so we'll keep an eye on that. This is one of the things I talked about in the winter outlook. Two things. I talked about some high-impact storms, but also the second half of the winter is going to become more active. Well, the first half hasn't been active at all, but things are going to get kind of interesting, I think, once we get through the first week of January. 37 and 32. Temperatures didn't move a lot today because of the thick cloud cover across the area. No precipitation today. Typically this month would produce 3.39 inches, so we'll see how that pans out. 15 of the last 17 months, by the way, have been drier than normal here at the station. Wabash River in Terre Haute has crested, start coming back down now a little bit over 5 feet. So this is what we're looking at then. The clouds are going to kind of hang around, although some breaks in the clouds. It's going to stay cool. A dry week for the most part. Possible weekend system passing south of here could impact us, and then that early week system, the high impact possibly system, along about next Tuesday into Wednesday. So it's just a little bit over a week away. So can't get into great detail on that yet. 37 at the airport in Terre Haute. Winds are northwest at about 10 miles per hour. Temperatures pretty much 30s all across the area. So again, it's cool, but it's not bad for this time of the year. Water vapor satellite, we have a little bit of low moisture here with the cloud cover. See, this storm, that's not going to impact us. That's going to stay down along the Gulf Coast area as we head through this week. This week looks pretty dry. There's a little clipper system tomorrow night, mostly just some clouds and the wind will pick up. But again, most of the action during the week is going to be south of here. We have low clouds across the area. These may break up a little bit overnight, but there's nothing showing up on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. So overnight, again, some breaks in the clouds possible, especially late tonight. Into the day tomorrow, we might see some sunshine mixed with cloud cover at times, and then more clouds will pick up later in the day. The winds will pick up from the southwest, too, as another clipper. Remember, we had a clipper system on Sunday that brought some snow showers. This one brings some clouds, maybe a flurry here or there, but I think there's limited moisture. But the wind will pick up tomorrow from the southwest and then back to the northwest on Wednesday with that clipper. After that, though, here we go. Weekend system. Looks like it's going to pass south of here, but it may get close enough to bring at least some light precipitation in here on Saturday into early on Sunday. It's something we'll keep an eye on. That's the southern system. We got to watch that one. Then a break on Monday, but then look at that, off to the southwest of this area. So this is what it looks like then as we get into about, remember I said the 9th to the 11th? Right now, we're thinking maybe rain, snow northwest of here, changing to snow and some wind. So got to watch that 9th, 10th, maybe 11th time period. And then behind that, this could open the door for a change in the pattern, including much colder weather from mid-month on. Forecast goes like this. For tonight, then we'll drop down to 24, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, probably the warmest day we're going to have in the next several days, with a daytime high hitting the low 40s with partly cloudy skies. And then after that, it'll stay cool, but, you know, not bad for first part of January. Got to watch Saturday. Could be some rain or snow. We'll keep an eye on that one with temperatures warming in advance of that next system, which we'll watch late Monday into Tuesday.